Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Jessup. I wanted to hop on and give you a video to go over your Letterland this week. So, just like we normally do in class, we're just going to talk about what we would on Monday. So Monday we focus on our spelling words. Our spelling words for this week are addition, subtraction, question, action, fiction, location, caution, condition, attention, completion. So, just to talk about our words real quick, we do addition in math. And what is the math sign for addition? It's like a cross, right? You guys know that one. So, let's air trace it very large. Down and across would be your addition sign. What is the sign for subtraction? Everybody know? One line across. What sign do we put at the end of a question? We put a question mark. Everybody use your finger and draw it with me. Boop, little dot at the bottom. Are you feeling well? Are you in good condition? Condition is how a person or a thing is getting along. I hope all of you are in good condition. An old car may be in bad condition. Is your pet coat in good condition? So, condition is how something is doing. A person or someone is doing. May I have your attention, please? What does that mean? Well, if I asked for your attention in the classroom, I would want all your eyes and ears on me. You would be giving me your attention. What is our location right now? Well, all of us are at our homes, so that would be your location. How do you use caution in crossing a street? To use caution when crossing a street, you would look both ways before crossing and watch the road as you're walking to make sure you get across before any traffic comes. Why do we need to use caution? To be safe. And how do you use caution in walking on ice or a slippery wet floor? Well, you might use caution by walking slowly and carefully. What are some actions you might do on the playground that you can't do in class? I bet the number one action you would think of is running. We can run outside on the playground, but we are not supposed to run inside in the classroom. A story that is made up is fiction. That means it's make-believe and it's not real. Name some fiction stories or books. Have we read any fiction stories this year? Yes. Peter Pan is the first one I think of. If you finished your work, you have reached completion. Completion is when something is finished. We often hear the word in sports. If you pass a ball to someone, what is a completion? The completion would be when the person catches the ball. So, real quick, we're going to go over a couple different spelling patterns that you will see in your words this week. The first one we're going to talk about is shun. You're going to see this spelling pattern in your words this week for Letterland. Shun can be T-I-O-N, I-O-N, A-T-I-O-N, I-T-I-O-N. Those are all the different spellings for shun. And boys and girls, do you think we'll see this at the beginning of a word, the middle of the word, or the end of the word? At the end, because it is a suffix. So, it's pronounced shin, okay? And it's an action. It changes verbs to nouns. So, how does the keyword help us remember the function? The keyword is action. Because to act is a verb, which is to do something, and an action is a noun. It is a thing. So, we're going to say the base words of some of the words we will hear the shun sound in. First one, addition. Do you know what the base word would be for addition? Add. Location. The base word would be locate. Introduction. The base word would be introduce. construction. The base word would be construct. And our last one, subtraction. What would the base word be? Subtract. Very good. So these are the spelling patterns you're going to see in your spelling words this week. Now, there's one more rule I want to review because you're going to see this sometimes when you add the suffix to the end of the word. The perfect example that we just saw was locate. Locate is spelled L-O-C-A-T-E. But when you add a shun to the end, what letter do we drop? We drop the E to add our T-I-O-N to make the sound shun at the end. So, remember, when you drop the E on some of the magic words at the end, you will add the T-I-O-N, or the shun sound. Not all of your spelling words will have this, but some of them will. For skate, we would just add ER to make skater. For skating, you drop the I-E and add ing. And skated, you drop the E and add ed. So again, you won't be adding ER, ing, or ed this week, but you might have to drop your E following the drop E rule to add your shun. T-I-O-N, I-O-N, A-T-I-O-N, or I-T-I-O-N. If you have any questions with your spelling words this week, make sure you reach out to your teachers on Class Dojo. We'll be happy to help. Miss you tons. Mwah.